As I've created a new file system on STP1, so let's start using it. So to use it, there is a mount command. As always, it's a good idea to use -- help to get an overview of all the options that are available. Let's pipe it through less to make sure we see everything that's possible on one screen. Basic thing I need to do here is something like mount followed by some options. Then we need a source, that is the device we need to mount, and a directory target. So basically the mount command will be mount dev stp1 on directory. Now if you want to make a final mount and make it recurring, it makes sense to create a dedicated directory beforehand. And if you want to just test the new device that is directly specifically created, that is mnt. So I'll use the mnt directory, which is created for the purpose. As you can see that the system doesn't get back with any warning, so I probably succeeded in creating my mount. Now in order to verify that, what I can do is just type mount command, and you see so many devices that are mounted on file system. Now mounting means connecting some specific device to a directory. So everything that's accessible on your Linux system from a directory is mounted. That includes any system settings like securityfs or the proc file system or the sys file system or the C group. Many things, way too many things. The only thing I'm interested in is that my file system is mounted successfully. Now in order to do that, there are a couple of tricks you can apply. One of the favorite tricks I can use is by piping it. So what I'm going to do is I'll just type mount pipe and grep. So let's do mount pipe and pipe it with grep. I'll tell the grep to filter on anything that starts with /dev, and here you can see just 3 devices are mentioned, which is the root device, the STA1 device which we are using for booting, and the STP1 device which my mount was successful. Now if you want to disconnect the device, you can do it from the system. In order to unmount the device, we use a command called umount, the umount utility. So the command is umount on dev stp1 in order to unmount the directory. So what I'm going to do is umount /dev /stp1. Or I can use umount /mnt, either the device or the directory from which you want to disconnect. As you can see, my STP1 is no longer present. That's how I unmounted and mounted a partition. Thank you.